Hello, Jimmy. This is Minor Press. I'm taking your course on Salesforce Intermediate Admin, and I have a question. Um, One of the videos that I recently watched was when you loaded the student data using the data loader, and after that video, I was able to do it, but after that video, you went to accounts like to contacts like this, and then from the contacts drop down menu you were able to look at students and I don't know, swim instructors, which were the record types that you created on the first videos, which I did, but I don't know how to put those list over here. So I don't know if you can help me with that. I'll be glad to hear an answer from you. Thank you.
Hi, Miner. So, thanks for the question. I am here on your developer org, and to do that, I'm going to go to the contacts here, and this is the list view that is out of the box from the Salesforce developer org. So you can create your own. You can create your own list view and define what you want to see. So to do that, you click on the gear icon over here and then list view controls and you hit new. So I'm going to name this swimming instructor. And here you can define who can see this view that you are creating. Is it just for you or everybody in your org can see it? Or you can share it with a list of other viewers, other users. But for now, because this is just a developer org, this is just your org, I'm just going to select only I can see this list view. So now it's basically still grabbing everybody, right? Now I want to filter this particular list view. So to filter that, I want to change it by clicking the gear icon here. And then I am going to edit list filters. Okay, edit list filters. And then this is the filters. First of all, if you're on a production org where there are many users, you can change this to all contacts, not just your contacts. And then you can add more criteria here. So for this example, we want to choose the contact record type, right? So the field would be contact record type. I'm going to type, or you can't type there. You have to select from here contact record type and then equals what? Swimming instructor, right? So, and that's it. And then I'm gonna hit done and save. Now you will only see the swimming instructors. You don't know here, right? Because you don't have the display column here as well that's showing the record type. So I'm going to add the record type on the display column. So edit or select fields to display. I'm going to want to put contact record type here and put it on the very top like so and save. There you go. Now what you are seeing here is just the swimming instructor. So now if I go back to contacts, you would see swimming instructor at the bottom. And there you have it. So you can always edit what you want to see, the columns here or the filter by clicking here. Okay, so select fields to display is to select what columns you want to see on the view, and edit list filters is where you can filter it out, what type of contacts, or you can even specify, I just want swimming instructors in a specific region, just in California or just in New York or wherever the location you want to see. And you can also add more filters and then save it afterwards. That's it. I hope this helps, and thanks again for your question. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.